Nathaniel.
What?
You having a snack? What kind of snack you having?
Hi, YouTube.
Hey, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. Our garage is a disaster. You know how messy it is in here? Ow! Hit my head. We got boxes and a... Why is there a pine cone?
Daddy.
What a mess. Nathaniel, we have so much work to do in this garage.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Oh no. You know what those are?
What?
You know what those are?
No idea.
That's a wheel lock. That's not a good thing.
Why?
You know what a wheel lock means?
No.
It means that we cannot get these wheels off
Why?
until we figure out how to get this lock off. So we have something that we need to do. You know what we need to do?
We can break it.
I want to see
We can break the...
if the wheel lock is in the trunk.
Yep. But it...
Hey Nathaniel, can you run and grab the lockpick out of the car? Quick, run and grab the lockpick.
Use it. I might know what it is. YouTube.
Nathaniel, what do you think's in here?
Gold.
You think there's gold in here?
Yeah.
That'd be cool. Let's find out, huh?
What treasure chest?
You think there's a treasure chest in here? So how's social distancing going for everybody else? You know, when you think about it, it's not that bad. You get to work on your cars. Nothing wrong with that, right? Get to figure out what's in the back of a barn find '66 Mustang instead of going to work. Except I do go to work still, right, Nathaniel?
Mm-hmm.
What does Dad do for his work?
Go to the hospital and help people.
Yep. YouTube doesn't know this yet, but I am an ICU nurse.
Yeah. Oh, under us. Good.
Please don't choke. So, I hope that everybody will forgive me for not having a whole lot of content up here on YouTube the past few weeks when everybody else who is on YouTube has been posting constantly. It has everything to do with the fact that things are a little crazy in the hospital. Boy, I think this was...
What?
This is not the easiest thing in the world. We got some advice from one of our viewers that we should just take apart the back seat and climb in through the back and do it that way. Maybe that makes more sense. Nathaniel, what do you think? Do you want to climb into the back? Climb in through the back seat?
Yeah, like no.
Nathaniel's been spending a whole lot of time watching Nerf YouTube videos, so now he wants to have a Nerf channel instead of a Mustang channel.
After the Mustang channel's done.
Oh, after the Mustang channel.
Yeah.
Then you want to have the Nerf channel.
Yep. Give us a F
So
point.
once you're 16 years old, we can have a Nerf channel instead of that. Because this is going to take a long time, this car.
If you have F point about this, if you have F point about YouTube that, if you have F point about Nerf, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. We'll see you next time.
Oh, buddy, we're not ready to say bye yet.
Dad, this is a zombie strike Nerf gun.
Zombie strike.
Look, it's zombies. It's about battling zombies. Aiming down a little bit, and
You want to shoot YouTube?
no.
Don't you shoot YouTube?
YouTube, watch out. Watch out, YouTube.
Buddy, did you shoot YouTube?
No, it just went right past YouTube.
Don't you shoot YouTube. What did they ever do to you?
Nothing. Ain't done
Right,
nothing.
buddy. Yeah. Don't shoot him!
Launch it. Yes!
Buddy.
I'm checking if there's zombies.
Looking for zombies?
Yep.
Are there any?
I think so out in the wild. And I think that they're coming.
There's zombies out in the wild?
Yeah. I think that they're coming towards us. So I think that they're coming towards us. I think that they're coming to Pittsburgh. They live
Zombies are coming to Pittsburgh?
They live on Mars.
Mars is zombies.
Yep. And I think
No.
I mean they're aliens. I mean they're actually aliens. Yep. So I can just take their brains down. I can take them down. They're actually zombie aliens. They have invisible spaceships. Oh no, not good. They're coming, landing on a tree. Yes!
Ha
What
ha! Ooh, what's in here?
Whoa. Even packages!
Come on, Mike. A lot of stuff fell. Let's show YouTube what we found. This is it.
Yes! That's it.
What do we have in here?
What are these?
Trim?
Let's open up.
Stuff from CJ Pony Parts.
I guess so we can need these. I guess so we need these.
What are these?
I guess so we need these.
Import car air filter.
Hey, what's this?
That's some hose. There's all kinds of stuff in here. The trunk mat's in there.
What the? Whoa,
Looks like we have the original trunk mat.
look at. Look at
That is one old looking air filter.
Yep. Yep. But it is not actually.
What are these?
Another one of them?
That is one old Pep Boys bag. Oh, looks like we're missing some of the trunk mat.
Yep.
I'm not entirely sure.
What's that box?
Power steering hose. We still have the jacking instructions.
Okay.
It's the original. Ooh, did that fall?
Yep.
No!
We can still.
Man, that's like some value off the car that just fell apart. Bummer.
What's that thing?
More CJ Pony parts.
Hey, a big tire.
Big tire, so looks some original hubcaps.
What are hubcaps?
Really old battery cable.
Got him!
Montgomery Ward.
I'll get my nose.
What's that?
What?
This is a real trip down memory lane, huh? I mean, CJ Pony parts not withstanding.
We definitely need to clean this garage up.
I agree. That's heavy. What is this?
What?
CJ Pony parts.
What's a CJ? Can we open the CJ Pony parts?
No, we're not going to open these right now. We're looking at
Whoa, what's
this.
that?
10W30 Royal Purple. I won't complain about that.
Oh, some bolts. Some bolt stuff.
Montgomery Ward.
Some bolt stuff.
Yeah, that's a bolt.
I see. What's that?
James E. Gibbs.
What the?
Hey, James Gibbs. We have your car. 1/13/1984.
That was a long time ago.
It's before Daddy was born. I should save this stuff, huh?
Yep.
Remember to vote, March 7th, 2000. 2/10/1978.
Hey, that's writing on the back.
2/10/1978.
Dad, what's that? I get the pies, Mom, by
Montgomery
blasting off. By blasting off.
When did Montgomery Ward go out of business? No one has waxed this car. That has not happened in a long time.
What's that? What are those?
Cornell belts.
What are the belts?
Always carry a spare in your car. Is this a... Oh, that's a female's shirt. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh boy. Uh-oh. So there are no wheel lock keys.
And we don't have any.
And it's getting dark. Oh my. Let's try this. Alright, Nathaniel, George, come here.
No, maybe this one will fit. Maybe this one.
Which one's that? Maybe. That's pretty close.
No, they have these.
So when you have wheel locks on your lug nuts, I heard that if you find the closest possible socket size to fit around there and smack it with a hammer, you might be able to get it loose. What could go wrong? Nathaniel, can I please have that hammer?
Sludge hammer?
A sledgehammer, not a sledgehammer. What could possibly go wrong?
How do you do a big slam?
I feel like this already has been this was a mistake.
How would you do it?
Oh boy. Oh, I'm nervous.
Yep. Me too. What?
It worked. Oh. Ah, crap.
What? Now we have to screw it back out.
How am I supposed to get this off of here now?
Just sludge it.
Dumb. Well, this may have been a mistake. Yes. Again, I feel like I'm doing nothing but teaching people how to steal stuff. First I taught you how to break into the car and start the car without keys. Now I taught you how to get into the trunk. Now I taught you how to take off wheel locks without... I promise I'm not just teaching people how to steal cars.
Dad,
That's not what I'm trying to do.
inside. Dad, we film inside.
Well, I was going to bang off the rest of these bolts. Was this a busy day?
Big day.
Can I please have the wrench? The 1/2-inch drive wrench? You got it. See, this is what 4-year-olds are perfect for. 5-year-olds. This is what 5-year-olds are perfect for. You
What?
can bring wrenches like no other little boy can, son. Thank you.
I'm just seeing. It looks very light. Why is
No,
good?
this is like... These are like only on here by 2 threads. There's spacers on these wheels?
No, I don't think so.
So it's several days later after we put all the ATF in all of these cylinders, and we're gonna see if it worked at all. Probably not.
Any kind of budging?
No, they don't look like it. I think that this is something that could go without including nuts. Something that's including nuts. But
What about Marvel Mystery?
Well, guys, tune in next time and we'll do a little unboxing video to see what other treasures we have. Thanks for watching as always. See you next time.